Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the Kives family and we are saved by grace. My name is Courtney Harvester. I know many of you are wondering, where is my spouse? Where is Mashmana Mapos? So today's video is all about me and I'm going to introduce a special someone to this video and he is the cause of this video. So today, I know many people are wondering, Bona niko na gloves, and what am I doing with an apron? I think you can get the memo of what this video is all about. But first and foremost, I want to welcome the new people to this channel. If you're new here, kindly like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, with your family. Don't forget to comment down below. Aki kuna upepo. Don't forget to comment down below on what you'd like us to do. And now back to the video. Simu yangu itaenda na upepo. So back to the video. Why do I have gloves? Guys, let me introduce the special someone first of all. So today's video, round of applause for the special someone, by the way. Caleb, come to the video. So I'm going to introduce my nephew. This video is all about him. And welcome. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Caleb.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm your auntie. And I'm your auntie best, right?
Yes.
Am I your best auntie?
Yes.
Okay. So today's video. So Caleb, do you want to introduce or should I introduce?
You should introduce.
I introduce the video.
Yes.
So today's video, Caleb requested that he wants his auntie to bake a cake for him, a chocolate cake. So whom am I to refuse? Let me try to adjust the phone so that tuonekane poa. So whom am I as the auntie to refuse to bake for him a cake? So I decided that I'm going to bake for him a cake and I decided to challenge myself today. And I know it's a bit windy, please bear with us. But nimeamua nimtengenezee keki and not the usual way. I know many people are used to baking cakes with oven and all that, but today we have challenged ourselves. We are going to use what?
A JIKO.
A JIKO, guys. We are going to use a JIKO to bake that cake, and we are hoping it's our first time to do it. And I know how to bake. I wouldn't say I'm a professional on that side, that area of baking, but I know how to bake with an oven. But today I've challenged myself because me, I love challenges personally. I've challenged myself to use a JIKO to go the Kenyeji style. And we have prepared everything. We are going to show you. And guys, tuendelee na nyinyi as we are preparing all this because it's our first time, guys, and we are hoping and praying that this cake works. But anyways, guys, stay tuned as we showcase to you the ingredients that we have. And as I have said, we are baking a chocolate cake with a JIKO. So do you have anything to tell the people?
Yes. So guys, you should share, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel.
Yes.
Yes.
As he said, imagine my nephew is urging you all to comment down below, to share, to subscribe, and they should hit the notification bell.
Yes,
When Uncle
bell.
Yako, you're just the same. It's notification bell. I don't know why they keep on confusing, but please subscribe. So tuanze kazi. So guys, these are the ingredients we are going to use, and there. So these guys are the ingredients we are going to use for the chocolate cake. We are going to use the flour. It's called the flour. It's all-purpose flour. We're going to use the salt, sugar, blue band, cocoa, then the baking soda, bicarbonate soda. I call it, no, not baking soda, bicarbonate soda. Then we have the vanilla essence. And guys, let me plug you to this vanilla essence. This is one of the best vanilla essence you can get, and it will make your cake taste so nice. Pradeep has a very great taste. Then we have baking powder as usual. We have milk, and we have the measuring cups that we are going to use, and the formula here, and where we are going to do all those inaitwanga nini, kustir and everything. Yes, and to whisk. So we are going to mix all the ingredients that we have on the table, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take less time because mixing aita take time mingi. So guys, as you can see, kumekuwa usiku. We thought that we'd finish early, but I'm done. As you can see, imebidi nitumie flash. As you can see, the nini is ready, the mixture is ready. It's chocolate cake. Nime change the pan, so because I don't have ile nini nitongwaje ile kifuniko ya chuma, what I'm going to do is improvise, and I'm going to use this. I didn't record everything because of upepo. Upepo was too much, so we're going to put this one here kwa hizi mamawe. We try, yes, naweka mawe first, then I'm going to put the pan like this. The pan, it's going to cover it. Then the JIKO is already ndaibeba hadi kwa jiko. So the JIKO is already ready. We are going to mix this makaa. Tutachukua zenye ziko moto sana, zenye ziko chini. Hii moshi ni too much. Tuzieke juu ya hii nini. Tuzieke juu ya, hata zijakuwa moto sana by the way. Sio zote. Tuzieke juu ya hii keki. Now like this one's mulika hapa. Unaona? Now like this ones can work. That. It's just to help with the heat. They bake vizuri. Now you know I need these red ones. Ziko mingi hata. So kwenye wajui mbona napepecha ndio moto ikuwe mingi. Ichome mo makazi. Ekele keki yetu. We are hoping, God willing, it will work out. So guys, we are back. We are done with the baking. Aki, we had a lot of challenges. First of all was the wind. And let me tell you, baking with a JIKO, it is not hard. Ama, how was it?
It is easy.
What was your experience?
My experience was good because that is my first time baking a cake.
It's your first time?
Yes.
And guys, we are here to show you the results.
Yes.
By the way, hatujaanguka mtihani. That's all we can say. So the reason why the video was cut short, it became at night. We couldn't record very well. And now the cake may take almost an hour and 30 minutes.
Yes.
Yes, because we tulieka kwa JIKO at around 6:40, and now it's around 8:30 something p.m.
Yes.
And not even 8:30. It's even, I think, 8:06.
Yes.
Yes, it's not so late. I could take a lot of time, and we managed to do it. So let me show you guys the results. Aki hatuwezi fail. By the way, who is God? We thank the Lord. Sindio?
Yes.
We have been praying for this cake, and it's really, really raised up. And we can say that we will be baking oftenly with a JIKO. It is very economical. It's haikuli hata tokens.
Yes.
And it's very adventurous. And the next thing I think we are going to make. What do you want us to make from the JIKO?
Scones.
Scones. You want scones?
Yes.
Okay, we are going to try scones next time. But I think what we can make, again, We can't make cookies. I don't think it's possible to
Yes.
make cookies with JIKO. I'm going to Google it. But we're going to see what next we're going to do with that JIKO.
Yes.
But anyways, here are the results. Let me show you guys clearly. Caleb, sijui kama utaweza kufungua
That was a
because it's Caleb's treat.
yes.
Caleb, you're going to open that cake. I think it's hot. Ebu touch that sufuria, you see. It's hot.
Not that.
Wewe sema ni moto juu unataka keki. Okay, open it. Open it, we see. Guys. Wow, I just had to turn the cake because of ndio tuweze kukata vizuri, but you can see from the downer part the cake is okay. But anyways guys, the cake mi naweza sema ime turn out good. I'd comment and say it's smelling so nice, so I bet it will taste good. I am hoping, I am praying. Caleb, what do you have to say?
I have to say that the cake will be so delicious.
And I'm still your auntie.
Best. Yes, my best auntie.
Oh, thank you. So next time we're going to challenge ourselves. We're going to do something else. We're going to check if you're going to make the scones you want.
Yes.
But let us just end this video here. And for our new followers, Caleb, what do you have to tell them?
I love to tell you thank you. Thank you for following. And continue to comment.
Yes, we live by your comments. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. We are the Kives family. See you on to the next video. Ta-da!
Bye.
Thank you for subscribing.